guys, good morning. It's a brand new day and it's pretty chilly today, though it got very warm yesterday. So I was a little disappointed, but it's nice. I'm going to Connaught Place. I'm going to meet Jessel from Sorted. And there's no point, I realized after this vlog went up, the first one, that there's no point in kind of keeping secrets because in the next jump cut, you kind of just see it anyways. So yeah. So right now, that's about it. Bye. For the longest time we've been searching for Pizza Hut, which was like apparently really easy to find, and both of us are so amazing. This Tina Masi was both of us are so amazing at numbers and alphabets. We had no clue which way to go. So like in Connaught Place there's stuff like there's an inner circle where they have like another set of alphabets, and there's an outer circle when they have whatever. It's too much details, but look, M Block is the prettiest M I've seen in my life. We've been walking for more than half an hour. Oh god. Finally success. And look who it is.
Hey.
It's Jessel Rathi from Sorted TV. Not TV anymore though.
Actually just Sorted.
Just Sorted,
just
yeah.
Sorted.
You guys know. So we did a collab together and we're not even met at that time. So it was just like emails. And then we meet. Yay. Yay. We met in Mumbai once and then we just decided to meet, you know. Oh yeah, okay, whatever.
She doesn't know how to vlog.
Yeah, he's gonna
She's
teach
still learning.
me.
She's still learning.
And he's 1 hour late.
50 minutes late.
50 minutes late. He's 50 minutes
The life
late.
of a YouTuber. The life of
I
a
was
YouTuber.
waiting right there
I'm sorry.
for like 15 minutes.
I'm buying
50
her.
minutes.
I'm buying her lunch to say how sorry I am.
Yeah, 15 minutes is a good deal for free food.
Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? And yeah, I am in Delhi again. I'm still here. A lot of y'all thought that the pictures from the airport that I posted, you thought I got back home, but no, I just gone there to pick up my cousins. I am pretty much still in Delhi. So yeah, the plan right now is I am all dolled up with the new hair, and I am on my way to Connaught Place because a very special event is happening there. If you guys don't know, MTV is actually launching its very own exclusive cafe in Connaught Place. I guess that's the first one that they're launching, and I am extremely excited for it. So I was in the city and I'm on my way there. I was like, you know what, we should go. And what the icing on the cake is that the launch party is like in the evening at around 8 or 9. I am going like pretty much in the day right now because you and me, just you and me, have got like exclusive access to be the very first people to see the cafe before anybody in the whole universe sees it. By the way, Sampada is in Delhi. I would have turned the camera, but then she just never mind. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, we're here already. Check it out. Okay, so this is actually the entrance and everything's pretty much undone, and that's the beauty of it. You have to meet Ruhi. Hi, she's so pretty.
Welcome to Flipper TV.
Yay! So she's going to be taking us around the cafe that I'm extremely excited about. Check this place out. Everybody drink. So it's basically even before you know you're drunk, you're drunk. That's the idea. I love how this place is like really colorful and everyone's like so chirpy and everyone's like so coordinated, and the bartenders are really cute. You know what I mean? What makes this place even more awesome is that we got to see it before anybody else, you know what I mean? A lot of fun, yeah. If you guys are from CP, then you should like come here ASAP. Of course you can't come here before me because, hello. Yeah, and thank you so much Rui, you're such a sweetheart for taking me around. Yay. So yeah, flip it MTV, shall we? Check it out. Like super busy. Anywho, so I have come here to go to the Shishganj Gurudwara, that's right there. And I really wanna eat the jalebi that you get in Chandni Chowk. So yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, I'm excited. Woo! Check out how busy this place is. want to really come to Delhi Chai is because I want to eat two things. One is this aloo ka samosa, and the other is this legendary jaleba. It's actually a jalebi, but it's so huge. If you guys don't know what jalebi is, hang on for the next jump cut. You're going to get blown away. Always a trouble to eat with chopsticks, right? So I just formulated a really effective way. If you're obliged to eat with chopsticks, this is how you'll eat, okay? Take your chopsticks, hold them however the hell you want to hold them. Just make it look really nice and then do this. Watch very carefully. See what I did there? And then just alright guys, I'm at Delhi airport. I'm going home.
Oh, my baby's going.
But I'm going to meet him after 4 days. I'll tell you why once I go in. You haven't met my injured cousin, have you? This is my baby cousin and it's time to say goodbye. I'm going to miss this climate for 4 days. I'll tell you why after I go in though, because I really need to pee. Hey guys, so I just reached the airport and surprisingly this was like the quickest I have actually gotten through. So I just like reached the airport, check-in done, pee, check, done. And like security done really quick, and as soon as I reached my gate, the boarding had already started. But I really don't want to go and sit in the aircraft for 45 minutes, so I'm just kind of strolling and talking to you guys. Also, what I didn't tell you all was that I am flying back to Mumbai right now. That's on Sunday, but I am actually going to fly back to Delhi on Thursday because IMT Ghaziabad has invited me to be one of the panelists on this thing that they have in their college. So I'm actually going to be flying back on Thursday for like a couple of days. So I'm very excited for that. It's my first event outside of Mumbai other than Hyderabad. So it's not my first event, but I'm still excited. So I guess yeah, I'm going to end my vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. This is pretty much how adventurous and fun my stays in Delhi are. That's why I love coming to this city. So now I guess I'm just going to go and board my flight and then just, I don't know. I don't think I'll work. I'll maybe watch a movie or something on the flight and yeah, so that's about it. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up and let me know if you want more vlogs. It's awesome that you guys are loving me doing nothing but just, you know, being me. So yeah, I will see you on Thursday until we meet. Love.